Right, we've got all the bits, got the tools out. Oil filter, air filter, sump plug, new washer, and this now. I'll put some more of this stuff down. This stuff's been pretty useful. This is the stuff you put down first before you put down laminate flooring. That's been very useful. Now I've got to put this down because if I get any oil on a driveway, my testicles will be extracted with extreme prejudice. So we want to avoid that. I'm going to put the spout upstream there somewhere. It's got all this bloody plastic under here. Can we get to the sump plug? What is it going to be? Can't, can we? It looks like it's had some issues in the past. Let's take this crap off, shall we? Right, get the old gloves on. Now it's something like, being French, it's something like 21 mil, I think. Something like that, so we shall have a go with that. And then the trick is to get your hand out the way with the plug before it all falls into the tray. Oh, right, there we go. 21 it was. Let's try and... I'm going to apply some upward pressure to the plug so it doesn't drop in. Can I get rid of it now?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Right, okay, next bit we need to change the oil filter, which is, that's an air pipe. There's a water pipe. It is that little housing in there, which you probably can't see. If I can get my hand on it, it's there somewhere. So I might just move this pipe out of the way. And then it's a housing, it's not like an old metal filter. It's a housing with a filter in it, so we'll have a go at getting that off. Right, we're on a different camera now, the other one died. So we're in there, got this off, this slips off really easy. We've got our socket in there, it's 27 mil. I'll crack that off and we'll have a look at the filter when it comes off. Here's our old filter. Just pull it out the housing. Right, that clips in there. Let's have a look at what we get. The new one. So we get our new filter and we get a new seal for around here. So new one on, we'll just seat it in there. Cool, that's seated properly. And then we're just gonna slip that in there. Right, let's put this on and then put the plug back in. Right, okay, sump plug's back on. Oil filter is on and tight. Sump plug went on, not too tight because you could feel like you could over tighten the thread. Right, so oil goes in here. This engine, the 1.6 HDI, take 3.8 litres, 5 litres in there, so we'll go down to here somewhere and stop and see where we're at. Oops. Right, I'm going to stop there for a moment and I'll take it on a little run, park it up for half an hour, somewhere level, not on the drive obviously, and see what we got. Put that on there. Right, while we're here, we will change the air filter. Right, there are 3 like Torx Starhead fittings there. I don't know if there are any behind it. We shall find that out in a moment. Right, is it a simple job of lifting it up? Kind of. What's that there? Something over there. There's a clip. Let's use that. Right, does that come off? Yes, it does. Here's the old filter. Ooh, look at that. I'll just give that a little hoover out, I think. Right, let's see what the old DeWalt makes of this. New filter. Shut that. Cool. Pop that in there. Seats. So, yeah, that's that. Seats right there. The monster truck behind me has started up. That's it, job done, screw it in. Right, put the screws in, I've just got to put this clip back on this side. Get to it. Cool. Right, run it up for a bit. Check for any leaks. Can't see any. Cool. Right. Get off the old axle stands, get off the old ramps, put it back on the floor. After we've put this plastic thing back on, obviously. Okay, just back off the little test drive. No noises, no knocks, no drips from underneath, which is great. Just a little word of advice. When you do change your brake pads, just start the engine up. Don't go anywhere. Just pump the brake pedal a couple of times, because where you've pushed those pistons back in, they just need to be back under pressure again. A couple of days time, I'll check the wheel nuts just to make sure. Keep checking for any drips for the next couple of days underneath. If you've made it this far, leave me something suitably, I don't know, car related in the comments. Take a look at the next video I've recommended for you. It's pretty cool, and I'll see you again. Cheers.